Hello everybody, it's 9/11 and 49 seconds now, May 8th, Wednesday. This is mini number 1 for ff49. After this mini, there will only be 2 spots left in the main. Over here are the 10 filled spots. Betty White took the last 5. I'm in a rush, sorry if I mistype people's names. Number 7, whoever comes in first gets the first 4 open in the main. Whoever comes in second gets the next single open spot. So best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here comes the final one. 7, Eric Wilkinson comes in first. He gets the first 4. Betty White, aka Andrew Barrett with 1 T in my eyes, comes in second. He will get the next single spot. Time is 9:12:45.